looking for videos of what this sounds like. Want to start this up so you guys can hear it, see it, get all the sensory as far as what this thing sounds and looks like. So here we go. So nice smooth start up there for you. And hopefully you can hear it. Just I got a really nice little purr here at idle. And we'll walk around here so you guys can see the tips. That's the install for the engine there, coming around. And all the Welter stuff has just a really nice deep rumble to it. Sounds good, sounds really good. Nice clean installation. Stage 1, DDMworks turbo kit. Coolant tank, centerpiece fuel rail. Just a really nice install. Beautiful color. And what we're going to do here is rev up the engine a little bit so you can hear what it sounds like. So here we go. Blow-off valve going together with that exhaust. It sounds fantastic. Let us know if you have any other questions or if you want us to shoot any more videos of it. It sounds great. David, DDMworks signing off. Have a good one.